Okay, so we're going to do 12.3 experimental probability of a compound event. Standards, objective to be able to find experimental probability of a compound event with at least 80% accuracy given independent practice. Your vocabulary term is compound event, which is basically an event. Well, it's an occurrence. So compound event are events including two or more simple events, and then they can include dependent or independent events, meaning an event can depend on the other one, or you can have just two combined as one. Okay, so how do we calculate experimental probability? That's how we represent experimental probability. Okay, so in this case, imagine this is a restaurant, right? And you have different orders. So either you have or the option to get chicken or hamburger, either water, soda, or orange juice. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the total number of orders. Okay, so in this case, how do we find that? 5 people order chicken with water, 3 people order hamburger with water, 10 people order chicken with soda, 2 people order hamburgers with soda, 15 people ordered chicken with orange juice, and then 5 people asked for hamburger and orange juice. Okay, so we have to add all those together. So 15 plus 5 is 20, 30, 35, and then you have 5 more right here, so that's 40. So it's 40 orders that we have in the restaurant. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the compound event number of compound events occurrence. So in this case, we want to see how many was the probability, experimental probability of having somebody the order of chicken with orange juice. So that's 15 right here. So I'm gonna write 15 right there. And then how do I find compound event probability? I do the compound events, which is a chicken with the orange juice, which is 15, right? So I'm going to write 15 over how many total? 40. And then I have to simplify. So I go 15 over 40. I can simplify by dividing by 5. That gives me 3 over 20. Okay, so it's going to be my fraction form, and then I have to get that into a decimal. So again, and then a decimal and a percentage. So I can do that to easily change into percent. What I did here, I multiply by 5. I do times 5 right here. So that is actually just 15 hundredths and then 50%. If you want to do the other way, you go 3 over 20. 3 divided by 20. So that's 0 times. Oops. That's 1 time. And then 0, bring it down. So that's 5. So I end up with the same answer. So the probability, the compound probability of getting the order of chicken with oranges is this right here. Okay, let me go ahead and give you one to do. Okay, so go ahead and give me the total number of orders, and then give me the probability of the compound again of getting a hamburger with a soda. Okay, alrighty, make sure that you give me the fraction form simplified, decimal, and percentage. God bless you. Bye.